We have a humidifier at home and we're super happy with it, but I was looking for a smaller option since the one that we have takes up some good amount of space. So when a vendor contacted me to do a video review of this Hilife humidifier, I was happy to accept, and after trying it a few days, I can give you my opinion about it. This is small but powerful humidifier, which measures 7 by 7 by 10 inches, is equipped with an upgraded dual fan to widen the area of the mist coverage. The highest mist output can raise the humidity by 10% in just 20 minutes, and you'll be able to quickly regulate the humidity throughout your room for some relief of some of those seasonal symptoms you may have. It has a really quiet operation since it keeps the noise level below 30 decibels and barely make any sound when in operation. And also you can enable a sleep mode to turn off the screen and enjoy a peaceful sleep with no disturbing lights. In terms of capacity, and that can be the only thing I didn't like much, is that it only holds 3 liters, meaning that it will last for a day when fully operating, but it will keep functioning for 7 hours a day if you don't have it turned on at all times. Again, it's not bad, but it could have a couple inches more and still be super compact. Oh, and when it reaches 0, it will auto turn off as a safety feature, so that's a good plus. And besides being super easy to use and fill as well as quickly to clean, it is recommended to clean the tank twice a month with water and vinegar and the chamber once a month. But the smart function will auto-detect your room's humidity and adjust the amount of mist according to a preset. It is suggested to run a 45 to 55% humidity range. So overall, I will recommend this compact but powerful humidifier to anyone who needs to save some space but wants to keep the room humidity controlled. Whether it's your nursery, your baby's room, the office, bedroom, your living room or gym, or any other space. It will surprise you like it did for me. I hope you like my review, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you.